Hope you're okay. In this video, we are going through how to use split screen on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Now, to enter split screen, that particular feature needs to be supported on the app that you want to use it on. But to enter split screen, all you need to do is press the multitasking button, just like that, on your OnePlus Nord CE6 if you're using buttons. But if you're using gestures, you'll simply need to swipe up and hold in the middle and then release. Then it's going to bring you to this recent apps list. Now, find an app that supports split screen. So scroll through your apps and find an app that supports split screen and tap on the three dots. Then you should see split view. So tap on that option, and then now you'll need to select another app. As you can see, open another app to split screen. So I'll select the Photos app, for example, and now you're in split screen mode. Now, while in split screen mode, you can use the divider at the middle to adjust the real estate for any of the two apps that you've just opened. So you can increase or reduce the size of any of the apps, just like that. And then you have three dots on each app. So these three dots have a couple of other options, so you can tap on it. And as you can see, you have the option to select full screen, to exit split screen mode, just like that. And the other option, when you tap on it, is to open that particular app in a floating window. So it's going to minimize it into a floating window. So when you tap on that, it's now going to open the other app in the background, and now you'll have the other app in floating windows, and you can reduce or increase the size using these handles, and you can tap on that to go back to split view or minimize that app. So go back to split view and it's going to open the split view once again. So the next thing you can do is tap on this, and then you can expand this particular app, expand it just like that, increase the real estate just like that, or you can shrink it just like that, or you can tap on the three dots once again and switch the app that you want to use, whether it's the bottom app or the top app, so that you can tap on that and select another app that you want to open in the place of that other one. So to close split screen view, you can either tap on the three dots and select close, or you can use this divider and scroll all the way up just like that to close the app that you want to close. Or if it's in split screen view, just like that, you can tap on that option and then simply select close. So let's do that. And that's basically how to use the split screen view or split screen on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below if you so please. Until the next video, take care and God bless.